This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable plates and bowls, specifically these great Indo palm plates and bowls, which make a fantastic disposable option. They're available, as you can see, in multiple shapes and sizes, and they're made from naturally fallen palm leaves. So it's a great eco-friendly alternative to things like plastics or even other paper plates. For the bowls, we have this great 6.5-inch square, 5 3/4, and also a 3 3/4. And then we have this little petite round 3.5-inch bowl. And you can see these bowls come with nice lips on the edges too, which makes them easy to grab when you're serving things like maybe cold soup or something of that nature. We've got some great square plates. In the back, we have an 8-inch. We also have a 6.5 and a 6-inch, and then a small 4-inch as well. We've got a cute 6-inch round, perfect for desserts, salads, and appetizers, and some fun different shapes like our 8.5 by 5 oval, which you can see has just a little bit of depth to it, and also a nice 9 1/4 by 6 1/4 rectangle, which you can see also has just a little bit of depth to it. So it makes for a lot of great serving options, especially for catered events and functions. If you're running something like a food truck or a cafe, something where you want to add that little bit of sophistication, do a nice little nod to Mother Nature and offer something environmentally friendly for your guests, it's going to be a fantastic way to do so. So the many options mean that you can serve anything from main dishes to sides to even little appetizers, or just things like portions of sauces, salsas, or just little accompaniments for your dishes. And with a great nature-friendly alternative to plastic, these are a fantastic option for anyone looking to do disposable service. The natural color and texture of the palm leaves gives it a soft feel, and the contemporary shapes give it just a little bit of sophistication. So these are a fantastic way to serve your guests, whether you're doing something informal like a picnic at home, or if you're doing something just a little fancier like looking for disposable options for a wedding.